you so much. Okay,
Thank you.
Ananta ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, all masters. I am thankful to Brahmarshi Patri sir and GK sir. I am going to discussion only here. Aura and third eye. So, what is aura?
We expand our consciousness and match it with the universal energy.
It's an electromagnetic field.
An electromagnetic field around the body.
Yes, ma'am.
It can contain 7 different colors of the rainbow. Cannot be seen by the eye but by Kirlian photography.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. My answer is aura is an electromagnetic field that surrounds the human body and every organism and object in the universe. Explain the aspects of aura. What are the aspects are there in aura?
It provides information about health, personality, moods, and maturity. These aspects to me.
Yes.
So if I'm angry, my aura can be different. If I'm happy, my aura will be different. Something of that sort. I didn't get the question actually, maybe.
The aura has size, shape, color, and vibration. It is egg-shaped, extends around the body, and reflects physical health, thoughts, emotions, and spiritual maturity. So what you said is right only, ma'am. So according to our mind thinking pattern, the aura changes. Colors and shape also it changes. Thank you. Describe the relation between aura and chakras. What is the relation between these two?
Chakras are within the body, and aura is outside the body.
Okay. Each aura layer corresponds to a chakra. Colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and white reflect different chakras from root to crown. Explain how thoughts influence the aura with an example. How thoughts influence the aura with an example. You just
Just 1 second.
Example.
Sorry,
With example, ma'am. Any example can you give, ma'am?
Positive and negative.
If I'm angry, my aura will be red.
That is
Something like that.
a negative aura.
So red it will be.
Electromagnetic field change according to thoughts. A compassionate person expands a tree's aura, while a non-compassionate person contracts it. Write about the colors of aura and their meanings.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, indigo.
So red means anger and courage. Blue means spiritual.
Green means social communication.
Purple is love.
Living.
Shall I tell? So different aura colors indicate personality traits such as energy, red, creativity, yellow, intuition, blue, wisdom, violet, and nurturing nature, green. What kind of field is an aura?
Electromagnetic field.
Electromagnetic field.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Does every person have an aura?
Yes.
That's right.
Yes, ma'am.
Every object will also have aura.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, name any 2 features of an aura.
Shape and color?
Features.
Features.
The main features how size, shape, and color only.
Meditators will have a stronger aura. That's a feature.
So, features means how we represent that aura. How we come to know
Yeah,
what is an aura by seeing that the aura's size, shape, and color. What does aura reflect?
The physical and mental health of the person and object. I mean, can't have an object there. So.
Is it Sandhya Nitin, ma'am, saying the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not visible, ma'am. You are not displaying on her screen.
Ma'am, somehow my this thing is not coming on.
Yes, ma'am. Back screen only visible in ma'am.
Yeah, but my this thing, what do you call it, camera is not coming on.
Okay.
So I don't know how to. I mean, as far as the sign goes, my camera is on, but yet my face is not visible. Last time also, everyone pointed that out, but I don't know what to do for it.
You can only see aura.
You can see your aura. You can feel your aura.
It's blue.
It's blue. Blue and green, yes, both.
Maybe your camera
Definitely, the
shutter
nature
is
is there. Beautiful, blue and green.
Ma'am,
This piece.
maybe your camera your shutter may be closed, I think, ma'am.
But I'll have to take it to the repair guy. I don't know how to do it at home.
Okay.
I can deal only with the software, man.
7 layers. 7 layers. How many layers is I only told the answer. Actually, what is that question is how many layers is the aura said to have? How many layers?
747 layers.
Yes, ma'am. What shape does the aura have?
Egg shape?
Nice egg shaped.
Yes, ma'am.
Egg shape.
Thank you. What is the height of a normal human aura?
7 feet or something.
I think up to 6 feet on all sides.
7 feet, ma'am.
7 feet, okay.
What is the width of a normal human aura? Width.
4 feet?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. What is a halo?
Golden light.
Halo is the aura around the head.
The golden light around the aura.
Yes,
around
ma'am. A strong aura seen as golden yellow around enlightened people. Color aura is linked with creativity.
Orange.
Yellow and orange, huh?
Yellow and orange.
Which color represent intuition and spirituality?
Violet.
Violet.
Blue.
Blue, ma'am. Blue.
Blue.
Which aura color indicates wisdom and independence?
That will be violet then. This
Yes,
is
violet.
violet.
Violet. What vision is needed to see an aura?
Vision, the third eye vision or the Kirlian photography?
Peripheral vision, ma'am. Trained peripheral vision must be needed to see an aura. Can aura change?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
List any 3 factors that influence aura color.
Anger.
Thoughts.
Moods, thoughts, and health.
Anger.
And health.
The physical condition, emotional
Health.
state, and spiritual
Mental
level.
condition. Spiritual.
Physical condition, emotional state, and spiritual level. What information does aura provide about a person?
Provides information about health, mood, maturity, and personality also.
Yes, ma'am. Very perfect. Health, personality, moods, and level of consciousness. How does aura show a thank you? How does aura show a person's health condition?
When it is smooth, not broken, when it's continuous.
How does aura show a person's health condition?
With its color?
It reflects whether a person is healthy or diseased.
The color and the how far it is extended, both will show.
That means if we see the aura, we can realize or recognize the person is in a healthy condition or not by seeing the aura. What happens to a tree's aura when hugged by a compassionate person?
It will grow.
Yes.
It
Tree's aura, what will happen? When we hug to a tree, the tree's aura, what will happen?
will grow. I mean, it will become
Expand.
brighter.
Expands the aura of the tree.
Grow means here expands. The tree's aura expands.
Expands. Okay, grow means expands. Yeah, that's a better word.
Oh, yeah. What happens to a tree's aura when hugged by a non-compassionate person?
Shrinks.
Wings.
Yeah, contracts. The tree's aura contracts. Why is aura stronger in spiritual gurus?
Expanded aura. That's why.
Because the maturity of that person is so high.
Yeah,
To that maturity, both will be higher.
right.
So it will expand.
They are connected more to their soul than the body.
Due to higher spiritual maturity and consciousness. Thank you, thank you. What are chakras?
Energy bodies inside the body.
Energy centers corresponding to different layers of the aura. How many chakras are there in total according to the according to our concept?
7.
Inside.
7. Actually,
7
here,
main chakras.
7 given, but in the PDF it is given 9. 7 physical chakras and 2 spiritual chakras. Which chakra reflects red color?
Mooladhara.
Root or physical
Root
chakra.
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 Which chakra reflects green color?
Heart.
Heart.
Hot or astral chakra. Which chakra reflects indigo color?
Agnya chakra.
Third.
Third eye.
Which chakra reflects the color? White color.
Sahasrara.
All chakras you had said.
Crown chakra.
Crown chakra, yes, ma'am.
Sahasrara.
Who can see the complete aura?
Third eye.
Spiritual
Who have
gurus.
developed the third eye?
Spiritual gurus can see how people who have activated the third eye, they will also see.
Very few spiritually advanced individuals can see the complete aura. Thank you, ma'am. For what purpose should aura power be used?
Only spiritual growth.
Spiritual service.
Yes, ma'am.
Community
Healing.
growth.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. For spiritual growth of the individual and community.
Spiritual
How
sense.
can aura be improved according to the to our PDF?
Meditation.
Meditation. Swadhyaya. Sajjana Sangatya.
Positive affirmations, meditation, visualization energy, balancing, and spiritual healing. What is the importance of aura in healing? Holistic healers and clairvoyants use aura colors to understand and heal people. What does the aura represent?
Same thing, no
Your
ma'am.
health.
Same.
Health,
It
personality,
represents the current
movement.
spiritual maturity and past incarnations of an individual.
Even the past.
incarnations of-
Oh,
past
past information is.
yes, ma'am. By opening our third eye, we can see the past incarnations. By seeing the auras also, we can see the past incarnations. Thank you all, masters. And here, just I'm asking the colors. You can say the meaning of it. Color red,
Energy.
energetic, well-grounded, energetic. Orange,
Optimism.
Emotional.
adventurous, thoughtful. Okay.
Full.
Yellow, creativity and friendly. Green,
Nurturing
Love.
and compassion.
yes,
Empathy.
nurturing and social. Blue,
Intuitive, spiritual,
yes, ma'am. Indigo,
spiritual connected,
yes, ma'am. Violet,
intellectual, and
Some more bits like bits are means fill in the blanks are there. Can I ask or shall I go to the next topic, ma'am?
Let's finish the next topic. In the end, if we have time, we'll come back to this.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you.
So let us discuss here about third eye, ma'am. What is the third eye considered as?
Spiritual, spiritual.
Soul.
Soul.
Seat of soul.
Right. The third eye is considered the essence of the soul. Which part of the body feels the soul?
The head, brain,
Between the eyebrows.
the
Yes.
forehead,
No, the soul can be felt by the third eye only.
Third eye.
Yes. Thank you. How can the third eye be activated?
meditation,
Meditation.
Breath.
Breath.
Breathing. Yes.
Okay.
By breath meditation. Breath meditation. Why is breath meditation special?
It's a bridge between the soul and the body.
connect with the universe,
It does not require energy for a mantra chanting or visual. So why it is special means it doesn't require any energy like doing mantras or chanting or visualization. And so breath meditation is very special in all meditations. Thank you. How many stages are there in third eye activation?
3.
Yes, right. Thank you. Name the 3 stages of third eye activation.
Opening, perfection, and completion.
Thank you all. What happens in the opening stage?
Third eye.
Glimpses are seen.
Glimpses are seen. Yes, yes. Thank you. What is experienced in the perfection stage?
your questions are answered.
Purpose of
So what will happen in perfection stage?
Knowledge will
Person
come
is
from
getting all the
Getting
answers. All the answers.
Yes.
Person.
All right. Thank you. A person starts getting answers to all questions. What is understood in the completion stage?
Past,
You know the
present, and
past,
future.
and future.
Right, right. Thank you all. Past, present, and future are understood at any point of time. How do third eye master live?
Full understanding of purpose of
Enlightenment.
life. Enlightened.
the Apo Bhava, that concept. So be a being of more light and wisdom. That is the way a third eye master should live. Is that the answer you are looking for?
Yes, ma'am. They live in present moment while having visions of the future. Live big in that way we can say. What connection do third eye masters understand? What connection do third eye masters understand?
They know all the Akashic records.
They know everything, ma'am, actually. They understand the connection between the past and the present. So next a few questions about indicators. What physical sensation indicates third eye opening?
Some sensation like energy in the between the eyebrows.
Yes, ma'am, right. Tingling or pressure at the eyebrow point. What visual signs indicate third eye activation?
Same thing, no? Visual sign.
Lack of feeling of your body, you sort of lose senses.
What type of indication is there when the third eye is activating? Visual signs, what are there? Sir, sorry, repeat it again, sir.
You see something. You can see a word. You can see a picture. You can get glimpses of.
Indicating the future, right?
yes.
That is, I think that is
Different meditation experiences.
seeing a single eye, an eye opening or a lid opening.
Ah.
Oh, there you go.
So if the third eye open, then we will get these type of experiences. So if we see a person, the third eye is opening while meditating, that person's eyelids may half of the lids may open like that. That is the indication that that person is in a process of opening the third eye. Thank you. When can these indicators appear?
During meditation.
Meditation.
Dreams.
Yes.
Dreams.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. During dreams and meditation. Next, simple questions are there. Application-oriented questions. This one. After how long can third eye power be realized?
Depending upon your evolution.
50 days. After 50 days.
40 days.
40 days, 40 days of meditation.
40 days of meditation, 3 months or 6 months of meditation, we can get activated of the third eye. How can third eye power be recognized?
Extrasensory perception, so we can see the
Yes.
answers.
Telepathic messages.
Yes.
Through coincidences, premonitions, predictive dreams, and telepathic messages. What should a person do after realizing third eye power?
Use it for spiritual growth.
So spiritual science service.
Yes, spiritual science.
We have to plan future activities systematically. Plan future activities systematically. What types of plans are suggested here?
Spiritual service.
Means
One answer for everything.
Yeah. Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and 5-year plans must be there after opening our third eye. Thank you all, masters. And it's the last questions only. Dream-oriented questions. These are all. What does cake cutting in dreams indicate?
Yearly planning.
Yes. Thank you. What do grocery or salary-related dreams indicate?
Monthly plan.
What do vegetable-related dreams represent?
Weekly plan.
What is the logic behind dream interpretation?
Repeat the question, please.
What is the logic behind dream interpretation?
Logic. So we can plan our
Plans. Dreams related to daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly activities. Represents activities. What we have to plan and do, plan and activate. It's
Basically,
about
the unconscious is telling us what to do. That is what you're doing.
plan our future.
Plan our future.
yes. Which book is recommended for practitioners?
New forever.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Sorry,
What do some masters feel confused? Why do some masters feel confused?
They use it for a wrong purpose.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
they see some
Monetary
negative
something.
aspect.
Because they see negative future events like example accidents and all, and that particular situation they may confuse. Why can they not inform others about negative visions?
Because this will be a misuse of the power.
They are advised to work on themselves instead. So instead of saying to others, they have to work on it. Whenever we feel any negative coincidences or negative dreams like accidents and all, we have to work it on it. Thank you. And how can they help others indirectly?
By asking them to do meditation.
Means we are directly saying do meditation. How we will help them indirectly? So by improving themselves spiritually.
Themselves.
Yes, ma'am. What should a person find after become aware of their powers?
To help the society.
What should a person find after become aware of their powers?
Health reaches.
They must aware of their soul purpose. Their soul purpose, they must aware of themselves about their soul purpose after getting the powers. How is soul purpose identified?
If you have no health problems, that means soul purpose. You are on the right soul track. Sorry.
Soul purpose can be identified, yeah.
Through
You know that.
ESP,
Yes.
extrasensory perception. How should thought power be used?
For spiritual growth.
For individual
One
and
answer.
Community.
Community growth. yeah.
community level spiritual growth.
Yes.
So last and final question from my side. What should spiritual programs correlate with? Again, same answer.
What is the question?
What should spiritual programs correlate with?
Community growth.
Community and individual.
Community and spiritual growth of community.
Yes. Thank you all, masters. Individual and community growth together.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for everyone. ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Still
Anand.
bits are there actually. Because of no time, I'm leaving those bits.
No, do it. I think we have time.
It's already 4:45, man.
Okay, no, okay. Let me finish and then we'll come back to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.